Stylish wooden work art, where elegance meets craftsmanship. Welcome to this captivating journey through the world of stylish wooden work art, where timeless craftsmanship, innovative design, and the natural beauty of wood come together to create breathtaking masterpieces. Wood is not just a material. It's an ancient medium with a soul, carrying history, texture, and life into every piece. And when that wood is shaped into stylish works of art, the result is more than just decoration. It's a statement. It's a feeling. It's an atmosphere that transforms spaces and connects us to nature, creativity, and elegance. In this video, we will delve deep into the world of stylish wooden work art, exploring how it stands out from ordinary wooden decor, the many types of stylish wooden creations available today, the design principles that make these works so appealing, and how they can elevate any interior. Whether you are someone looking to add sophistication to your living space, an admirer of woodworking talent, or simply curious about what makes wooden art so compelling, this is your guide to unlocking the beauty of stylish wooden artistry. So, sit back, relax, and allow me to take you through every detail of this extraordinary craft. 1. What defines stylish wooden work art? To understand what makes wooden work art stylish, we have to first recognize that it is about more than just carving wood. Stylish wooden work art stands at the crossroads of tradition and innovation. It takes the raw, organic beauty of wood and pairs it with modern aesthetics, bold concepts, and sophisticated design principles. What makes it stylish is not only the intricacy of the work, but also how seamlessly it integrates into contemporary living spaces. Stylish wooden work art prioritizes elegance, balance, and harmony, while also making a bold statement through unique shapes, refined finishes, and thoughtful details. For example, a simple wooden wall panel becomes stylish when it's designed with geometric patterns, asymmetrical lines, or unexpected negative spaces. A traditional chair becomes an art piece when its curves are exaggerated into flowing, sculptural forms. The key lies in intention and execution, transforming everyday woodwork into standout art that complements modern interiors. 2. Types of stylish wooden work art. The world of stylish wooden work art is broad and full of endless possibilities. Let's explore some of the most popular and striking forms. Heavy checkmark sculptural wooden wall art. Think large, carved panels with dynamic patterns or layered compositions that play with light and shadow. These pieces act as focal points, adding depth and texture to otherwise plain walls. Heavy checkmark functional art pieces. These are wooden works that serve both a practical purpose and an artistic one. Consider coffee tables with interwoven wooden strips or bookshelves with fluid, wave-like structures that are as visually appealing as they are useful. Heavy checkmark minimalist wooden installations. Clean lines, smooth surfaces, and subtle grain patterns come together to create understated yet captivating pieces that evoke serenity and modernity. Heavy checkmark mixed media wooden art. Stylish wooden work often blends materials like metal, glass, or resin, creating unique contrasts between organic and industrial textures. A wooden frame filled with colored resin, for instance, can create a glowing effect that changes as the light shifts. Heavy checkmark hanging wooden mobiles and kinetic art. These pieces move gently with the air, creating an interactive experience. Layers of thin wood pieces are balanced perfectly, offering movement and fluidity to a space. Each of these styles proves that stylish wooden work art is versatile and adaptable to any environment, from ultramodern lofts to cozy rustic homes. 3. Design principles that define stylish wooden art. Now, let's talk about what sets stylish wooden work apart from regular woodcraft. There are several key design principles that artists follow to achieve that balance of beauty and sophistication. Heavy checkmark contrast and texture. Stylish wooden art often plays with contrast, using different wood types, grain directions, or finishes to create visual interest. Smooth, polished surfaces might be paired with rough, natural edges to add complexity. Heavy checkmark flow and movement, rather than static, blocky shapes. Stylish designs often incorporate curves, twists, and overlapping forms. This gives the impression of motion and fluidity, making the artwork feel alive. Heavy checkmark balance and symmetry. Even in the most abstract wooden works, balance is key. Whether through symmetrical repetition or asymmetrical harmony, the design feels intentional and complete. Heavy checkmark natural integration. Stylish wooden art doesn't try to hide the fact that it's wood. Instead, it embraces the material's unique features, knots, grains, and imperfections, to enhance the design. Heavy checkmark innovation. Finally, what makes wooden art stylish is the creativity behind it. Stylish woodworkers are constantly pushing boundaries with new techniques, combinations of materials, and unexpected designs. 4. Stylish wooden art in modern interiors. Stylish wooden work art is more than just something you hang on a wall or place on a table. It's a way to shape the entire feel of a room. Here's how it elevates different interior spaces. In living rooms, stylish wooden wall sculptures or coffee tables anchor the space with warmth and sophistication, making the area feel both inviting and elevated. In bedrooms, a headboard made from laid wooden panels or an abstract wooden bedside table can add texture and serenity to a restful retreat. In dining areas, a statement wooden chandelier or a table with live-edge detailing becomes the focal point, inviting guests into a space that feels both luxurious and natural. In offices, wooden desk accessories or shelving with artistic flair make the workspace not only functional but inspiring. Wood, after all, connects us to nature. In our modern, often digital lives, stylish wooden art reminds us of the earth's beauty, grounding us in something timeless and real. 5. Emotional connection to stylish wooden art. More than just design, stylish wooden work art carries emotional resonance. Unlike synthetic materials, wood holds stories. Every grain pattern, every curve, every shade variation tells us something about the life it once lived. This gives wooden art a sense of history and depth. When you add a stylish wooden piece to your home, you're not just adding decor. You're bringing in something that was carefully shaped by both nature and human hands, a collaboration across time and craft. 6. Choosing or commissioning your own stylish wooden art. If you're thinking about purchasing stylish wooden art, think about what resonates with you. Is it the raw, rugged look of live-edge designs? The smooth curves of abstract forms? The intricate details of geometric patterns? Consider the atmosphere you want to create in your space. Do you want your art to calm you, inspire you, or challenge you? Work with artists who understand your vision. Many talented woodworkers today take custom commissions, allowing you to have a one-of-a-kind piece that fits your space, style, and soul. Also, think about scale. A large, bold piece might dominate a room beautifully, while smaller, subtler works create layered depth across several walls or surfaces. Conclusion: the timeless appeal of stylish wooden work art. To conclude, stylish wooden work art is not just about craftsmanship. It's about creating a bridge between nature and design, between traditional techniques and modern aesthetics. It's about adding something authentic and meaningful to our spaces, something that lasts. These pieces do more than decorate, they transform. They take an ordinary room and make it extraordinary. They offer warmth, character, and stories that continue to unfold every time you pass by, run your fingers along their surface, or share them with others. So whether you're an artist, a collector, or simply someone who appreciates beauty, consider stylish wooden work art as a part of your world. Let it bring sophistication, creativity, and a piece of the earth itself into your daily life. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of stylish wooden work art.